Scientists regularly discover new animal species. And last year was no exception. Here are the most interesting species according to biologists. 1. Ophiogzura x-body snaketail. This unique snaketail was found at a depth of 500 meters, near New Caledonia. These islands, near Australia, have always fascinated scientists. Nature has remained here in its pristine form, and there are unique animals and plants, many of which have hardly changed since ancient times. New species discovered in 2021. What makes this animal special is that it has 8 limbs, as opposed to the classic 5 in sea stars. It is, indeed, a living fossil. Genetic analysis confirmed that its lineage went its own way, separating from its modern relatives more than 180 million years ago. Back in the Jurassic period. 2. The beaked whale Ramari. This is the largest animal species that humans discovered in 2021. Scientists first encountered this whale 10 years ago, but were never able to find and document the new species. In November 2011, a dead marine mammal, more than 5 meters long, was dumped on a beach in New Zealand. Scientists studied the anatomy of the mysterious alien and concluded that it was a species of cetacean that had not previously been described. In 2021, scientists discovered several more such whales in the ocean hundreds of kilometers off the coast of South Africa. These whales try to hide from human eyes, which is why it was so difficult to find them. They hunt in deep waters and avoid the coast. They inhabit the oceans in the southern hemisphere. 3. The Beninwood Hyrax gyraxes, other names are daemons, fatheads, are close relatives of modern elephants. Gyraxes and elephants had a common ancestor that split 60 million years ago. And one branch evolved into giant trunks and the other into hyraxes, which look more like hamsters than elephants. But internally, these cute, furry animals are still close to small elephants. They have the same skeleton, teeth, and placenta. In 2021, scientists discovered a new species of them, the Benin Trihycarax. Its peculiarity is its piercing screams at night. 4. A new bat. Nimba myotis, the second name is the bat with orange fur. Its main feature is its bright orange coloration, sharply different from the usual dull brown hues of its congeners. Bats live in the Nimba Mountains of Guinea. These highlands are an example of what are often called sky islands. Their slopes are so steep and elevated that the ecosystems on top are unique and cut off from the mainland. 5. Synapturanus zombie. Scientists call frogs in the family Microhylidae narrowmouth frogs because of their narrow muzzle. This is another, very unusual representative of them. Their orange coloring doesn't bother them because they spend most of their lives burrowing underground. They come out when it rains. They breed and then go underground. 6. Scolopendra alcyonica. A giant millipede found in Taiwan and the Japanese Ryukyu Islands. Grows up to 20 centimeters in length. Leads an amphibian lifestyle unique to centipedes. Occurs in streams and preys on freshwater shrimp. 7. Nano chameleon. Scientifically, this chameleon is called Bruchisia nana. But scientists have nicknamed it the nano chameleon because of its small size. At the moment, it is the smallest reptile species in the world. That's probably why they couldn't find it. Nano chameleons grow up to 3 centimeters in length. It lives in Madagascar. And it looks like it's about to go extinct if we don't help it. The fact is that the nano chameleon is a forest dweller, preferring the forest floor. And forests in Madagascar are being rapidly cut down, reducing its habitat. In addition to the discoveries of modern animals, scientists discovered 42 new dinosaurs in 2021. 8. Kid from Chile. Ankylosaurus stegosaurus was discovered in Chile. It lived more than 70 million years ago. It was quite small for ankylosaurs, grew up to 2 meters in length and weighed up to 100 kilograms. While other Ankylosaurus species grew to 6 meters or more. 9. Predatory ubiquitous. Another interesting dinosaur lived on the territory of modern Uzbekistan. It was a huge predator. Uligbegsaurus, lived 90 million years ago. Its length 8 meters, and its weight a ton. Uligbegsaurus was at the top of the food chain in its ecosystem. 10. Argentine Titanosaurus. This is perhaps the most important discovery in paleontology in 2021. Fossils of this animal were found back in 2014 in Argentina. But they were not collected and described until March 2021. At first, scientists thought it might have been the remains of several dinosaurs. The 20-meter-long Titanosaurus may be the largest dinosaur that ever existed on the planet. The age of the find is estimated at 140 million years.